Hello friends, how are you? I think you are all well. Today, come back again for some interesting maths of WBCS main, CGL, CHSL, MTS and also primary TET, C-TET and upper primary TET. You know very well, today's maths topic is various types of maths. আজকে আমরা আবার কিছু ম্যাথসের নিয়ে তোমাদের হাজির হয়েছি যেগুলো পরীক্ষায় বারবার তোমরা দেখতে পাবে all type of exams. Okay, so come to pavilion, come back again. There are some math questions. Read with me carefully. There are different type of math questions which are more important for you and various types of exams. Look, first one is, what is the greatest one of 5 root of 2, cube root of 3, 15 root of 6 and 5th root of 5? যে question আমরা দেখলাম, out of these terms, what is the greatest k out of these terms? Very simple way to solve this type of question. Look at the board. At first you have to see that what is the root, 5th root, cube root, 15th root, 5th root. Just this term 5, 3, 15 and 5, either at first LCM বের করতে হবে. LCM means you know lowest common multiple. Look, what is the LCM? LCM of 5, 3, 15 and 5, that is equal to, you know very well, 15. LCM is 15. What is the shortcut method to find the answer of this type of question? Look at the board. Since LCM is 15, LCM 15 pays, right? So this sum you have to write. Since LCM is 15 and there is 5k কি নাম্বার দিয়ে মাল্টিপল করলে 15 আসে? You know 3. Therefore this term you have to write 2 to the power 3. Again listen carefully. 5 থাকার জন্য 5k কি নাম্বার দিয়ে মাল্টিপ্লাই করলে LCM ভ্যালুটা আসে 15? 5k 3 দিয়ে মাল্টিপ্লাই করলে 15 আসে, তাই 2 to the power 3. Same thing. There are 3. By which 3 multiply to get 15? 5. So this number becomes 3 to the power 5. Again, there is 15 multiplied by 1. This will be 6 to the power 1. And again, you see that there is 5 multiplied by which number to get 15? 3. It becomes 5 to the power 3. Now solve it. 2 cube you know very well, 8. 3 to the power 5 you know very well, yes, 243. And you know 6 to the power 1 is 6 and 5 cube is 125. Therefore out of these values, which is greatest? You see that 243 is the greatest one. So what is the 243? It becomes from cube root of 3. Therefore you can say, sir, cube root of 3 is the greatest. Therefore the greatest number is this 243. এটা কোড থেকে এসেছে cube root of 3. Therefore cube root of 3 is the greatest. Already we find the answer of the question number 1. What is the greatest? If your question was or is, what is the smallest number Smallest number, you see that out of those values, 6 is the smallest. 6, 15th root of 6, this is the smallest term or number here. So your question was what is greatest? Therefore you can say cube root of 3 is the greatest number. Then question number 2. Look. What is the area of a regular hexagon? Is the area of a regular hexagon is this. What is its perimeter? Look, area given. Regular hexagon. Jano, what is regular hexagon? Hexagon means a bounded figure where the number of sides is 6. That is called hexagon. Hexagons means number of sides is 6. But what is regular? Regular means when all sides are equal of that polygon, then that polygon is called regular. Therefore, as first we have to know what is the area formula of regular hexagon. You know very well, area of regular hexagon, that is equal to 6 into area of the equilateral triangle. Okay, to look at the boards, mind it from today. Hexagon, this is the shape of the hexagon. This is the shape of hexagon. All sides are same, and if you think the all sides are A, therefore mind from today, area of this regular hexagon equal to 6 into root 3 by 4 into a square. Yes, 6 into area of the equilateral triangle, that is 6 into root 3 by 4 into a square, and that is given in the question is equal to 6 root 3 x square. Yes, is it any problem? Okay, now 6 cancel, root 3 cancel, therefore a square equal to 4x square, therefore a equal to 2x. A equal to 2x. Then your question is, what is the perimeter? And you know very well, perimeter means the borderline or outline of the figure. Yes? So what is the perimeter of the figure hexagon? That is 6 into side. That is the perimeter. Therefore, perimeter of regular hexagon equal to 6a, that is 6 into side, and you know value of a is 2x, therefore 6 into 2x equal to 12x. That is the perimeter of regular hexagon. The answer is 12x. This is the answer, 12x. দেখতে দেখতে আমরা অলরেডি 2 কোশ্চেন সলভ আউট করেছি। দেখতে পাচ্ছ, ভেরি সিম্পল, বাট অলওয়েজ মাইন্ডেড the formula you have to know very well. ফর্মুলা যদি মুখস্থ না রাখতে পারো না, তাহলে কিচ্ছু হবে না। Formula must you need to hard practice. Okay, read the next question number 3. What is the question more important for Public Service Commission and CGL and the Central TET, Primary TET, Upper Primary TET? Okay, look, 1/3 of a journey covered at the rate of 25 km per hour, 1/4 at the rate of 30 km per hour, and the rest means remaining part means bakita at the rate of 50 km per hour. Then what is the average rate? Average rate means what is the average velocity or average speed? Same thing in mathematics. Okay, look, average speed, that is equal to average. AVG is a short form of average. Average rate or average velocity here, or rate, equal to TG by TT. What is TT? Total distance. What is TT? Total time. Therefore, average velocity equal to total distance by total time. But you don't know what is the total distance. Given in the question, only 1/3 at the rate of 25, 1/4 at the rate of 30. But you don't know what is the distance. Here, for this type of question, shortcut method, you have to find at first what is the distance. Assume it. Assume it means suppose. মানে বাংলায় ধরে নাও। কি ধরবে? Mind it. Let distance equal to LCM of 3 and 4. That is equal to 12 kilometer. What is the distance? LCM of 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Where 3 and 4? 1/3, 1/4, 1/3, 3, 1/4, 4. Then 3 and 4. Okay? 12 kilometer. Now solve it. Say total distance is 12. Total time. Time means distance by velocity, right? 1/3. That means 12 is 1/3. 1/3 of 12. That is 4 kilometer at the speed of 25. Next, 1/4. 1/4 means 1/4 of 12. That is 3 kilometer. 3 kilometer at the speed of 30. And the rest. Rest means baki, the remaining part. Out of 12 kilometer, already 4 and 3, that is 7 kilometer gone. Rest are 5 kilometer. And this 5 kilometer rest part at the rate of 50. That is the simple way. Now cancel it. This is 3 tens are 30. 5 tens are 50. But now 12 divided by 25 and 10. 25 and 10. What is the LCM? 25 and 10. LCM is 50. Now 25 2s are 50, 2 4s are 8 plus 10 5s are plus 10 5s are. That is equal to 12 into 50 by 5 plus 5 10 plus 8 is 18. Now 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18. That is equal to 100 by 3 equal to 33 and 1/3 kilometer per hour. Simple way, that is the method to find the average velocity or average rate. Always mind it, total distance by total time. But if you don't know what was the distance, assume it in this way, LCM of that, and put in the method, then you can get the answer 33 and 1/3 kilometer per hour. Already 3 questions done. Look there at another question, that is 4. Also a very interesting problem for you. Perimeter of a square is 800 meter. Perimeter you know very well. Perimeter, that is boundary line. তো পেরিমিটার মানে বুঝলাম যেটা পরিসীমা already square given 800 meter. What is its area in hectare? What is its area? Area, you know what is the area of the square formula? That is bahu square or side square. So look there, question number 4. Perimeter of a square is this. Perimeter का formula पता है तुम सबको. 4a that is equal to 800 meter. 4a that is the 4 into side. Therefore a equal to 200 meter. A is 200 meter. That is side. A means side. Therefore area of the square equal to, you know, a square, that is side square, and side square equal to 20 square, and 200 square and 200 square equal to 40000, that is square meter, a square. But your question is, what is its area in hectare? Hectare means that is the unit, and at first you have to know what is the relation between hectare and square meter. Okay, so look, actually mind it from today. 1 hectare equal to 10,000 square meter. That is the conversation relation between hectare and square meter. 1 hectare equal to 10,000 square meter. Since this unit is square meter, to get hectare you have to divide by 10,000. Therefore this 000 by 10,000, that is the hectare, and 000 cancel here, therefore equal to 4 hectare. Already 4 questions আমরা আনসার করে ফেলেছি. দেখতে দেখতে ডিফারেন্ট টাইপের কোশ্চেন আমরা আলোচনা করছি, এবং তোমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছ কি শর্ট ওয়েতে we can find the answer easily. Just need hard practice. তোমাদের প্রচুর প্র্যাকটিসের দরকার এবং তোমরা পারবে. I think you can do it. If you think you can, okay? Always mind it. তো এগুলো প্র্যাকটিস করো, দেখবে সলভ করতে পারছো. অলরেডি 4 কোশ্চেনস আমরা সলভ করলাম. another one, আরেকটা কোশ্চেন দেখো কি ডিফারেন্ট টাইপের, সেটা আমরা এগুলোকে মুছে দেওয়ার পরে তোমাদের জন্য আরেকটা সাম আমি বোর্ডে করছি, also VVI, and it will be very easy for you. Just in 1 second you can do the answer of this type of question. What is the question? Find the value of question number 5. This 1 by 143. You know this type of question, a type of question, how to solve পরীক্ষায় খুব আসে, খুব, আর এটা 1 সেকেন্ডে আমরা করতে পারি. You know what is the process? Do you know? Look, this type of question you have to solve a way which is, you have to write at first in this way. This 15 can be written as 1 by 3 into 5. It's written as 5 into 7. It's written as 7 into 9. Dot dot dot. It is 11 into 13. 11 into 13. This type of expression can be written as in this way. But you see that 3 and 5, what is the difference? 3 and 5 difference is 2. If difference of that or that or that of this number is above on the numerator, then that is the rule. A way, but you don't know what is the way. Look, এখানে যদি difference value থাকতো, that is 2 থাকতো, there is a process, but you know, দেখছো নেই? Right. In the next line, 2 by 3 into 5, 2 by 5 into 7, 2 by 7 into 9, plus 2 by 11 into 13. 2. There is not children, but right here 2 to get adjust. This will be to get adjust 1 by 2 multiply করলে divide করতে হয় to adjust করার জন্য. Now 1 by 2 into this written as 1 by 3 minus 1 by 5, 1 by 5 minus 1 by 7, 1 by 7 minus 1 by 9. In this way, 1 by 11 minus 1 by 13. All numbers are cancelled here except first term and last term. Therefore, 1 by 2 into 1/3 minus 1 by 13. Now, 1 by 2, there is LCM. 3 13s are 39, and 13 minus 3, that is equal to 1 by 2 into 10 by 39. This is the 5. Answer is 5 by 39. Very easy to calculate, very easy to find. What is the answer process to this type of question? আজকে আমরা যে কটা প্রবলেম সলভ করলাম, these questions more important for you. Okay? তো প্র্যাকটিস করো, বারবার ফলো করো ক্লাসগুলোকে, তোমাদের বন্ধুদের মধ্যে শেয়ার করো। শেয়ার করছো কোথায়? শেয়ার করো, দেখবে আরো স্টুডেন্টসরা জানবে, তোমাদের সাথে সবাই জানতে পারবে, একসাথে চাকরি পাওয়ার প্রবণতাটা বাড়বে, পড়াশোনার জন্য কম্পিটিশনটা বাড়বে। ওকে, তাহলে ভালো থেকো। আমরা আবার পরের ভিডিওতে কিছুদিনের মধ্যে আসছি। থ্যাংক ইউ। ওকে।